So class 5 science unit 9 space and the satellite. So we have to do the question answers. Unit number 9 science primary science Oxford student book. So the question answers. So you have to do the short question answers from your exercise. So the question number 1 is define space wherein the earth atmosphere does it begin. So answer is here. I'm going to write it here. Space is the name we give to the area beyond the earth atmosphere. So this area that is beyond the earth atmosphere, okay, and between the planets and other celestial bodies, the bodies that present in the space. So this is the first question, wherein the earth atmosphere does it begin? So the next question is the difference between natural and the artificial satellite. What is the natural satellite of earth called? So we have the two different kind of satellites. One is artificial, another one is the natural. So we have to write the names, difference between these two satellites, and we have to write the name of them also. So yes, we have to write the answer. I hope the screen is clear. Natural satellite and the artificial satellite. Whenever you have to make a difference between two things, you have to mention the headings and then you have to draw the line, okay? That thing is the perfect to differentiate between two things. So the natural satellite and the artificial satellite. The first point is for the natural satellite. They are formed by natural, and the artificial satellites, they are not formed by the natural, they are man-made satellites. They are man-made satellites. They are man-made. And the next point of the natural satellite is they are not controlled by humans. They're basically controlled by Allah, because they are the natural satellites. They are controlled by the humans because they are made by the humans. For the weather forecasting, for my and the latitudes of the earth. Okay, so we have the third difference here of the natural satellite and the artificial satellite. Okay, the next one is they are permanent. They are permanent satellites, and they are not permanent. They are temporary satellites. They are temporary satellites. So the second question is done. We have done with the difference between these two things of artificial natural satellite. What is the natural satellite of the earth called? Moon is the natural satellite of the earth, okay, which revolves around to its orbit around the earth. Moon is the natural satellite. So move to the next question, which is the third part. What are the asteroids? Now we have to write the answer. What are the asteroids? We have to write it down, the answer. Next question, question number 3. I'm just giving you guys your time so you can take a screenshot, or if you are doing this with me, then you make your notes. Third question is, what are asteroids? So what are asteroids? Asteroids are small rocky object that orbits the sun. These are the small rocky object that orbit the sun, that is present in the space. So this is the question, what are the asteroids? So we have to move the next part. Fourth question, what are space probes? The next question is, what are space probes? So here is the answer of the fourth question. What are the space probes? A space probes is an unpiloted, unmanned device. Space probes are the device that is not made by the man, that are unpiloted, means that are not managed or controlled by the man. A device sent to explore, or these are the man-made, but these are not controlled by the man. They just examine the solar system, what is going around the earth atmosphere. They just give the signal and the message to explore space and gather scientific information. They are unmanned and unpiloted, means they are not controlled by any pilot, or they are not controlled by any man. Scientific information, to gather some scientific information of the solar system. So the last question is, which planet has 14 moons? Which planet has the 14 moons? We have to write the answer. We have done with the reading. So which planet has the 14 moons? Our planet has only one moon. Which planet has the 14 moon? Neptune has the 14 moons. So here are the complete answers of your unit number 8. I hope you guys like it.